Hey y'all, well I'm about to start my supper for Roger. He's about to be off work, so I'm going to make some chicken Parmesan. I'm going to use my Ninja Foodi. I haven't made this in the Ninja Foodi yet, so I want to try it out, but I have 2 washed chicken breasts right here, and I'm going to beat them with my little hammer to try and thin them out some. And then I'm going to mix some Italian breadcrumbs with a little bit of Italian seasoning. Also add some basil and some ground oregano, along with some Parmesan cheese, some salt and pepper. And I will dip my chicken into some egg wash, and then I'll put it in my breadcrumb batter. Then I will put it in my Ninja Foodi over here and cook it on 360 on the air fryer option for 9 minutes, 10 minutes per side, as long as the inside reaches 165 degrees, I believe. And then once they are done, I will top it with, here's some pizza sauce that I had in the refrigerator, along with some mozzarella cheese, and cook it for another minute or 2 to let the cheese melt. And then to go with it, I will cook me some fettuccine noodles and add some Alfredo sauce to it. So that sounds good. Let's get started, y'all. Boy, that'll give you some muscles right there. My arm was already hurting. Okay, I'm going to set this aside. And let's get out some eggs. A couple of eggs should be plenty. And on the breadcrumb batter, I'm not going to measure any of it. It's just, I'm going to guess like I always do. Italian seasoning. Whoops. I think that was plenty. I opened the wrong end. Whoops. Some Parmesan. A little bit of salt. My basil. My oregano. Okay, let's get to mixing. That Italian seasoning got strong. I accidentally overdid it. Let's get these babies in the air fryer. 360 air fryer, and we're gonna put it on 10 minutes per side. Well, I'm just gonna turn them at 10 minutes, put it on 20 minutes, and press start. Now we're gonna make the pasta. I got my water boiling, and I'm going to add a couple of good handfuls of pasta and let it boil for about 8 to 10 minutes and turn it down on medium. I used 1 jar of garlic Alfredo sauce put out by Presto. Well, I would say that the first time fixing this in my Ninja Foodi is a success, as long as Roger likes it. It looks good, y'all. I'm excited to dig in. Okay, y'all, this is Roger's plate, and I'm gonna get his reaction. Sorry, y'all, he's being crazy. I'm gonna get his reaction and see what he thinks. He's crazy, y'all. I don't know what he's looking for.
Anything green.
He thinks I've tainted him.
I'm looking for mushrooms, corn, anything green in color.
Corn is yellow, dear.
And yellow. Alright, we're good. Oops.
It's pretty warm. Be careful. Whatever.
It's good.
He's crazy. Alrighty, y'all. Well, thanks for watching. He's losing his bread. He's already lost his mind. Thanks for watching, y'all.
That's good.
Awesome. Y'all have a great day. Bye-bye.